S7 upgrade content. Upgrade 1. S7 SiC heating element upgrade. Silicon carbon rod upgraded to TOKAI carbon from Japan. Carbon rod upgrade parameters. Upgrade advantages. Longer lifespan. Test 300 to 500 times. More stable quality. Qualification rate 99%. Saving sintering time. Speed increase by 60%. Upgrade 2. S7 screen controller upgrade. Upgrade the control panel for better quality. Add voltage protection module. Upgrade advantages. More stable quality, new screen supplier, more stable use, voltage protection. Upgrade 3. S7 SiC add transformer. Add transformers, voltage, 220 volt 110 volt. Upgrade advantages. Protect equipment, more stable voltage. Protect the SiC, smaller heating current. Upgrade 4. S7 add SiC detection function. If which one SiC broke, the device will give reminder. Upgrade advantages. Reducing maintenance costs, easy to operation. Upgrade 5. S7 SiC temperature limit reminder function. When the highest temperature exceeds 1580, the curve cannot be determined. When the heating rate is greater than 40 per minute, the curve cannot be determined. Upgrade advantages. Avoid error in operations, safer to sintering zirconia. Upgrade 6. S7 3D Pro 90-minute fast sintering curve. Upgrade advantages. Full process heating time minus 90 minutes. 3D Pro has good sintering effect. Our commitment: increase the lifespan of SiC elements. Improve equipment quality, make safer and simpler to use.